Hello and welcome to Undet for Revit. In this video, we'll learn how to use Undet Browser with Undet for Revit. So let's open Slice Manager first. Here. Then Undet Browser. For this video, we'll show both softwares, Undet Browser and Revit, in the same screen. But usually we have both of these softwares on different screens to work more easily. So in this, we'll learn three tools. One is ViewSync, which you can find in Slice Manager. Then Translate View Section, which you can find in Undet Browser. And Draw Point, which is also in Undet Browser. So let's start with ViewSync. So for example, we made this in previous video, this raster. So if we want to check, for example, here, we want to check what is this element. So we just have to activate the view. So for that, you can click on the raster image, then click on ViewSync and choose the point you want to look at. After that, it will show us three views which are looking at that point. And here we go. So now we can go closer to it, and we know that this is a bench and there are some cupboards here. So this is how ViewSync feature works. It works in floor plan and also in sections. So for example, we want to check what is here. So first of all, activate the view by clicking it, then ViewSync, and then click. Now we clicked on the door, as we see, and it's looking at it. So this is the part which we are looking at here. So this is how ViewSync works. So this way we can know what exactly is there by clicking on the raster image and opening the panoramic views in Undet Browser. Then next feature is Translate View. So let's go to floor plan and let's delete some of these. Okay, let's keep this. So right now, the elevation and all these features which we created this before were based on view range, but we can change them using Undet Browser also. So first of all, let's go where's this place first of all. So activate the view, ViewSync, and click. Now we are looking at the place where we marked it. So for example, now we can see the door, but we don't want to see this opening. Instead, just want to see the straight walls. So we can activate the view, click on Translate View Section, and click where do you want your cut plane to be. Right now, it's somewhere here, which is 1.2 meters. So let's click somewhere here. And you see it's updating now. Okay, we have to change it to plane and update selected. And now we can see this part and the door also, because it's a floor forward view. Cut line is here and it goes for 1.2 meters from there downwards. This is how we use it. It's sometimes, for example, we want to see these details, and by default it makes the raster image from 1.2 meters. So we can just again activate the view, click on view section, and here, and now it's updating. Here we go. So now we can see these small details, extensions of this mullion or foci, easily. Then we can do the same in sections also. Let's say we can go to this door. And we can choose where's the section line by using this. So we can select the image by activating it. Then let's say now some section view is somewhere here. Section line, sorry. So if we want it to be here, so we can click here. And now it's updated. So this is how view section works when we want to change the raster image and its settings by looking at the panoramic view in Undet Browser. This helps us to make those images faster and change them easily. Then the last one is draw points. So for draw points, if you'll use it just so how it works is, if we have a view and we want to find, let's say, where is this light socket in the floor plan, so we'll just open a view where we want to draw that point and click on draw point and click, but an annotation is added. Whenever this shows annotation added, that means it's made, and this is the point where we have switches. So this helps us to find things which we cannot find easily, and especially for small elements, but also when we are lost in bigger raster images or very big floor plans, we can easily find where we are by using Undet Browser and drawing a point. It works in all floor plans. You can just go, for example, let's go somewhere else, and we want to know where is this light, so and now we have it here. That's all.